but how old is he there, Roger?
That's exactly what my hair looks like.
How old is he there?
That's exactly what my hair looks like.
If he grew it out, yeah. He never did, so. Is he in his early 20s or what?
Yeah, he can be.
No?
Detroit. Oh, he's in his hometown, like and shit.
Okay, baby.
Did I get better?
You can yank me and you can crank me.
Yank me, crank me.
But don't wake up and thank me.
Fuck no. See ya.
Alright, come back when you can't stay so long.
It's like wham bam think bam and jump off and say see ya.
Deep enough right there?
Yeah, it is.
We're beached, you know.
Oh.
Yeah,
We can get it in plenty deep enough. Trust me.
You say so.
Deep enough is not a problem.
I've seen the fit. I'm not saying the word.
Alright.
Hey folks at
Oh
home.
man, that's some bright light.
Hey, we sit
Yes,
straight
we
up.
did that
I'd be
last
allowed
time
to
when we
have
were
this
skinny
much goddamn
dipping.
fun.
Bright light.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Is this enough for you?
Oh yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, that Tupperware keeps coming in handy.
Beware.
There
Is that
it
a
is.
freight train coming at me?
Yep. Better get the fuck out the tunnel, man.
The freight train coming my way.
Alright. See if I can.
Goodbye.
The no light is better, huh?
Yeah,
That's
it
better
is.
for us.
Don't know how great it is for your video, but it's a whole lot better for us.
Yeah, that's bullshit, man. It'll burn my retina. My retina.
When you walked out the fucking door and I'm calling your
I'm
name.
lighting fireworks and not ignoring nothing.
Stand by.
Easy, bud. Watch this shit.
That way. Oh shit.
Oh man, right in
Oh shit, it's coming
Hey,
right at us.
that was a fucking great idea.
Good thing I'm wearing safety goggles.
That was a great idea. Let's not shoot it up in the air. Let's shoot it at the water.
the water. You said the water, we said that way.
Well, don't shoot in the fucking lake. Thank God you ain't got a gun.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
That one worked.
I'm standing back here.
So we gotta go down like this, really?
Hey, Raj, man, go
way.
upstairs and shoot video, man.
Go
You
that
get a much
way.
better shot.
My camera will get moist.
Get all wet.
Look at the rain. Look at the rain coming down.
All right, ready? Here you go, Raj. Coming at you. Coming at you.
No!
There you go.
It's water.
Yeah, that one was great.
That was better.
Hopefully, shoot that way or this way?
That way. No.
Oh, okay.
No, that way.
Here, you got a crisscross. Oh man, I feel like I've been cheated.
Oh yeah, and it rains harder, really?
Tell me you guys give.
Oh man.
Oh, time's off, man.
Quit the rain. Fucking bullshit.
Fuck you! Give me that. One more.
Keep blowing, maybe it might go.
What the fuck is this?
I don't think we're gonna find no dry wood tonight.
Ain't no campfire going on
Nope.
tonight.
No.
Ain't no
Damn it.
campfire like Kentucky campfire.
Well, it wasn't exciting.
Yeah.
It's a wall of fucking
Stay
water,
tuned.
man. It's just not right. Say goodbye.
Stay tuned for the sequel.
Happy, look at him. He's flipping all over. He's a happy motherfucker. He's flipping around like a fish, man.
Like a fish out of water.
Oh!
Did you get that?
Oh, man.
Oh,
Dude,
that was
you just stop,
gross.
like, throw that motherfucker in the drink. At least let him eat. Let somebody eat him.
Alright, where's your ice?
Right here. Ice is right here. More. Eat, son.